Enough na, enough. Enough na po ang flowers. Cut. 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 Ay, sorry. Ay mo din babae ang titoko, ginahatag niya kay Kuan. Kita lang teacher karon. Sabibo nila ba? Ay, so sweet naman.
Kasama ka na sa kalabi
Baby, take a picture with each other, Clark. The new friends. The new set of friends. Thank you. Enough na. So cute. Beautiful.